Hi, and welcome to Marshie's Inspired Studio. If this is your first time here, welcome. I'm so glad you're here. So, you don't need more time, you need less weight. And I'm not talking about my big booty in the back, okay? What I'm talking about is emotional weight. This baggage that you're taking with you that you've been carrying for 3 decades. Have you ever thought that you're not behind? You're just carrying too much crap? Old identities that no longer serve you. Yes. What do I mean by identities? You could be a mom, you could be a daughter, you could be a friend, you could be a girlfriend, you could be a wife, a grandma, an auntie. And some of these identities that we're clinging to, these old belief systems, need to go. I'm not saying you stop being a wife, you stop being a friend, you stop doing such and such. That's not what I'm saying. I'm saying that sometimes your relationships evolve. And if you're holding so tight to the way it used to be versus the way it is today, this could be dragging you down. Okay? So, more progress, more clarity, more together. Somewhere along the way, it started feeling like everyone else is moving past us. I know when I'm about to have to do my 40th class reunion. Can you believe that mess? 40 years. It just goes by this fast. And so, you know, you feel like, oh, they're doing better than me. Oh, they've got that vacation home, or, they're going to Disney World 5 times a year. And you're just going, man, I'm doing a state vacation, right? I'm happy just to go to the town over to do the 4th of July celebration. So, what is it that you've accumulated that you need to let go that isn't serving you anymore, right? I don't know what that is for you. Is it a relationship that's no longer valid, but you're holding on to it still, even though you haven't talked to them forever? But you're holding on to the bitterness, you're holding on to the anguish? Let it go. Watch my other video about that. Check out my free resource for you called the Let Go poster. I made it for you and me to remind me I need to let go and reset. So, unprocessed expectations. Or you keep expecting them to do XYZ and they're going, no, I don't want to do that because you're putting that expectation on them. I've got a girlfriend that her mom, my friend is what, 50 something, right? She looks 40, but, her mom of almost 80 years old keeps putting these expectations on her that no longer are valid or even current, or, they're just so antiquated. They're not good, right? And so it's jacking with my friend's mind. This could be happening to you. That guilt complex, that manipulation of expectations of you. Oh, you need to do Thanksgiving dinner every day, every year, or you need to host the barbecue every year, or you need to do XYZ. No, you don't have to do it anymore. Stop carrying that weight. Stop taking that responsibility if it's not serving you. If it's not giving you peace and joy, you probably shouldn't be doing it. Now, if it's your act of service, okay, that's one thing. But when you do acts of service, guess what? You actually get joy and peace from that, right? Remember Martha? Martha was sitting there busy in the kitchen, and the other sister was down at Jesus' feet listening. I hope you're listening, right? Because you don't need more time. You need less weight on you. You've got to change the 6 inches up here. You've got to change the expectations. I have an aunt. She's 80 something years old and she's still making the holiday dinners. She doesn't want to do it anymore. It's a lot for her to go to the grocery store, the expense, no one pitches in. I'm just saying, sometimes those expectations that people put on you are no longer serving you. Okay? Um, and they accumulate, right? Those that unspoken pressure, those old roles you never officially put down. You need to get rid of them and let them down. When life feels heavy, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just have to stop and go, just making this video is getting me riled up. Why is it getting me riled up? Because it's stirring stuff up and it's making me face my own issues. And I'm here to be a sense of encouragement and inspiration to you, sprinkled in with some humor. If I help you in any way, can you like and subscribe? Because I'm going to be bringing you some real good stuff. So in my book, 13 Interactive Challenges to Self-Discovery, these are challenges. They're bite-sized challenges. And when you're done, you have a legacy of your life because you have an autobiographical account of your life and you get to give it to somebody special. So if you're ready to lighten up what you've been carrying, download that Let Go poster, right? And in the comments, write down what you're going to let go of. Is it bitterness? Is it forgiveness? Is it an expectation? Is it doing the laundry today? Is it making your house look spick and span? Is it still ironing your shirt? I mean, what is that one little thing you're going to let go of? Put it in the comments below. Mwah. Be blessed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.